Last time on Let's Play Through. 2020 Valspar Championship is just about to begin. We're going to play PGA Tour rules, which means you got to putt everything out, and we're going to play from the tips. We're going to see if Wade can break 100, I can break 90, and Pat can break 80. Let's see if we can conquer the copperhead. So 200-yard par 3, don't play these a lot when I'm playing on the weekends. Luckily, Mizuno sent me a 3-iron. Otherwise, I'd be hitting the wood right here.
Turn.
That'll be wet. Par streak is over.
Yeah.
Yeah, it ended abrupt. Time to study the ship.
Bad analogy since everybody's not going on cruises right now. Oh shit.
Well, good strike. It's got to go a little bit, doesn't it?
Oh!
It did not go.
You want to shoot again?
Oh, nice. A little short. Good shot.
Man, my 90 is looking out of sight at this point.
Good shot.
Sit ball. Oh, all right.
Great job, Wade.
Come off the back.
Go.
Go a little.
Just on the front.
Right.
Okay, our producer's going to take a shot here. Under tournament conditions.
No pressure. Thank you. I know.
Interesting grip.
That's a good shot.
Go, go,
Go.
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 Oh!
Oh! I'd rather have that shot any day. Disinfect.
Yeah, high five game.
You think we're joking? I just literally high-fived Chris. What does he do next?
Yeah, this is what we do. Alcohol gel, around the moon. That's the OCD.
That's extreme, dude. That is
Hey.
extreme. You're
I
not
ain't
taking any
getting it.
chances.
I ain't getting
You
it.
got 2 young children at home. You're not
That's
taking
it.
any chances.
It's not only my kids, my parents. I'm more worried about this point.
Yeah, it's true.
The young people, you know, pretty much percentages. You're okay.
I love it, dude. He like bathes himself in this
Yeah.
stuff, though. It's incredible. Absolutely incredible. I gotta make a putt here. Gotta make a putt here. Make a 4 somehow. My 90 is not looking good right now.
Oh, way too much. Bye, ball. Oh.
Good line.
Yeah.
One time for mother.
Oh, it's got to go.
Good line.
It's got to go.
Oh man. Wow, yeah. The sun messed with my eyes there. Got a tough putt for 5.
How's it feel playing a championship course, Gabe?
To play a championship course in tournament conditions, I mean, you can't put a price tag on that. That's like every golfer's dream, isn't it? Like, how cool is this?
Nice, good ball.
Okay, that's a 5. And that's 5 over in the last 2 holes. Not exactly what I was hoping for. But, having fun. I mean, this ticket would have cost you probably about $65. And to get just to see it, to get inside the ropes, probably $300. So
To play, forget
pretty
it.
good value. Pretty good value for you, right?
This is amazing.
What do
You know
think,
what?
man?
We're I don't know about you, but I'm grateful for every moment.
Yeah, you got to be. You have to be. That's all we got right now. It's actually interesting because a lot of us are going to be spending time with our kids, with our family, with our
I was
friends.
with my kids yesterday, tomorrow, next day. Kids are home.
We're not homebodies either. Like, I'm a person that, like, give me 2 days in a house and I want to, like, go crazy. So it'll be interesting. See if we can last this thing out. Probably have a couple months inside, it seems like.
You think so?
And that's what the president's saying yesterday.
We're all in it together, I guess.
Well, Wade was just telling me about the error he made on the last tee, and obviously if the pros were here, the water's not even in play for them. They know you're gonna miss it. You gotta miss that left.
You gotta
in the
miss.
trap.
Yeah, well, I'm not a pro, Patrick. I'm not a pro, am I?
We're just trying to hold on by the skin of our teeth out here right now.
This is a survival game is what we got going on.
This to me is probably the hardest hole on the course. 590, par 5, double dog leg. It's the signature hole. 14, at the Valspar 2020.
I like it.
Yeah.
Great job, Wade. I told you tonight.
Just made it to the fairway.
To the
You
front
got
of the
a
fairway,
piece.
yeah. Jeez. It's pretty good.
Okay. Still don't even see the hole on this yet. 2 shots in, still haven't even sniffed the green.
Yeah. Lovely.
Good. Well, over the hill too. Great.
Yeah.
I'll take that all day. Good ball. Stop going left.
Turn.
Oh, that's going right.
Turn.
Right where I aimed. Yeah, I like it. Right. Oh, no. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh!
Get in the hole! Get in the hole!
That was a big boy shot.
Birdie time! You guys see that shot? Did you see that shot? Yeah! Did you see that? That was awesome!
That was amazing.
I will. Thanks for being here. Look at that. Did you see that shot? That's how I'm doing. See that shot? There is just something really cool about playing in an environment like this. Pretty much once in a lifetime.
You gotta get that, man. You gotta get
Look at that. That was inches from going in the hole.
Yeah, you almost had
Inches.
You almost birdied it.
Thank you. Thank you. Inches from going in the hole. Inches.
I definitely say that's a birdie, and even if you don't tap it in, I'll give it to you. How about that?
There's no gimmies out here right now. There's no gimmies out
That
here.
would be the irony if you couldn't tap that in. Right, Wade?
Thank you. Thank you. Wow, it's kind of interesting because you can actually hear like an echo right here.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Hello! You're right.
Yeah.
It goes right
There's
down.
an echo.
into the- yeah.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Wow, we need a rules official over here. Wow. Where are you at?
Did you pull out your pocket? No.
Oh my gosh. No way. No way. Are you kidding?
That had to hit a rake or something, right?
I honestly have no idea how I could have physically got it.
Did someone
What?
pull it out of their pocket and put it here? That's not going to clear that over there.
Thank you.
I don't have a choice. I gotta go, I guess. Drop it over
What's
here.
the ruling?
You could drop it.
That's the weirdest thing I've ever seen in my life.
What's the actual ruling, Pat?
I think it's a temporary immovable obstruction, so you get like line of sight relief.
Well, I don't
Which-
have. So what does that mean?
I think you go to here. You could go to like here.
Okay.
This is your nearest point of relief.
Okay.
Here.
That's crazy. Oh boy.
Long. Okay. You're back in play though.
Get it.
Get in the hole.
Oh.
Go tap that in. Where's the wedge tap in? There you go. Get in the hole.
Oh.
Man, we're doing the most.
Keep them up.
Same spot as me.
Oh, left.
Oh no.
There's another hole we don't know about.
That was good.
Oh boy. That was 3. Here's 4. Stop.
All right.
Good ball. Good ball. Go. 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 Woo.
Mm-hmm.
We just made it here to the Snake Pit. This is the 3 hardest holes on the entire PGA Tour, 16, 17, and 18 at Copperhead. Let's see who can tackle it.